Welcome to Business Concepts TV. Today, we delve into operations management. It's vital for any successful organization. Whether you shop online or visit a cafe, operations management is key. In this lesson, we'll define operations management, explain its processes, and discuss its significance. By the end, you'll understand operations management and its impact on businesses. You'll learn the transformation process, compare manufacturing and service roles, and recognize operations management's importance. Operations management encompasses planning, organizing, directing, and controlling resources. It transforms resources into valuable products or services. The goal is efficiency, quality, and meeting customer expectations. Think of it as the engine that propels a business. Smooth operations ensure demand fulfillment, cost control, and customer satisfaction. Every organization engages in a transformation process. Inputs like employees, materials, and technology enter this process. They undergo transformation, resulting in valuable outputs, products or services for customers. Regardless of the industry, this process forms the backbone of operations. Let's break it down with a coffee shop example. Imagine ordering a latte. Inputs include coffee beans, milk, barista, and machine. The barista's preparation is the transformation process. The finished latte served to you is the output. This simple example highlights effective operations management. Operations management exists in both manufacturing and service sectors. Manufacturers produce goods, like cars and electronics. Service providers offer experiences like hospitals and restaurants. While outputs differ, both sectors rely on operations management to boost efficiency and customer satisfaction. Why does operations management matter? It directly influences organizational performance. Effective operations lower costs and reduce waste. Quality improves with standardized processes. Enhanced workflows lead to increased efficiency. Happy customers result from reliable services. These factors are crucial for competing effectively in the market. Top companies excel in operations management. Amazon streamlines logistics to deliver packages efficiently. Apple manages a complex supply chain while maintaining quality. Disney coordinates various services for memorable guest experiences. Starbucks standardizes operations for consistent service across locations. Each relies on robust operations management to create value. Operations managers handle daily activities to ensure smooth operations. Their tasks include employee scheduling and inventory management. They maintain quality, streamline workflows, and solve problems. Their aim is to optimize people and resources efficiently. To summarize, operations management is essential for any organization. It involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling operations. Organizations transform inputs into outputs, relying on effective management in both manufacturing and services. Excelling in this area often leads to industry leadership. Employees are vital resources in creating products and services. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to Business Concepts TV. Join us for more engaging lessons on business, finance, marketing, and operations.